Oh, look at this bear. I'm walking roughly 20 yards by it. Hey, it's me. I'm probably like 20. This bear's walking close to me. Oh, holy crap, I'm like, my heart's beating right now. I'm about 10 feet away from it. At one point it seemed like, but this bear is just walking right here. Oh, he's walking back down towards me. He must smell me or something. Anyways, here I am. I'm in Alaska. We're next to the Iliamna Lake, and we're pulled up. We're getting ready to get out of here and head over the pass, but this bear's right here. It's pretty amazing. Hey bear. Hey bear. And there he goes. He's heading up.